February 21st, Tuesday. Getting ready to take my bike for a ride this winter day here in Colorado. I'm getting a recording of the OEM stock windshield here. See how different it might be from the F4 Customs windshield I bought, and I'm going to install that this afternoon. So I don't know if a person be able to hear the difference in wind from this test that I'm going to do, but let's get this thing going. I like to have the windshield down to the point where it's just below eye level, at least with this windshield. I'll see how it is with the other one. Current temperature is 54 degrees. The reason I'm upgrading to the F4, I've read a lot of positive reviews on how much more wind protection, especially for the passenger, but at least I'll be able to check that out today because it's a windy day. I've got a nice little pond up here ahead. It looks like I'm going to work my way around it. That's a good gust of wind coming through. Yeah, it's not easy to forget it's still winter when you see the lake is still iced over. Okay, heading back home, and I'm going to install the F4 Customs windshield. Okay, I installed the new F4 Customs 24-inch windshield. That's the one they recommended for people that like 6'1" and taller. The standard on windshield that came in stock on the machine was 20-inch Honda. So now I'm going to take it for a ride, and today is actually 2 days since I took it for a test drive without the F4 windshield, with the stock windshield. And today is a lot windier, so I don't know, we'll find out if this is actually quieter on an even windier day than it was with the stock windshield on a less windy day. I'm going to do the same route that I took with the stock windshield. Right now, with the shield fully raised to the top, I can see through it. It's really optically clear. It is very windy today. Okay, this is The windshield's at the upper position, so I'm going to lower it to the lowest position. Wow, quite a difference. Yeah, I'd only be using this lowest position when it's really hot outside. Now I'm going to raise it up to eye level, where I'm just looking over the top of it. Of course, on my camera, since it's 4 inches below my eyesight on my helmet, you're looking through the windshield all the time. Now I'm going to raise it all the way to the top. Probably of 40 to 50 miles an hour. I'm going to have to check that when I get back home. Now I'll give a review on this windshield probably about 3 months after owning it. Let you know how it's holding up. But just this short ride, I'm very happy with this F4 Customs windshield. The clarity is just like it's almost not even there. Well, that's all for now, folks. I'll do another video once the weather's warm enough to take the bike for a ride up into the mountains. See you then. Later. Bye.